drawing upon this such rich tradition, you know, of the not only the gay mystics, but these great poets. So you said Kabir and Rumi, and that really embodies love through so many different art forms.
These are the two great lovers of humanity. Yes, and Jesus, they were all into this. They all came to say to the gloomy human race, are you kidding me? There is an opportunity here to live a full life. But to live a full life, you have to be connected to the soul, because the soul is the source of fullness and the spirit. But you have also not to derange yourself from your body, not to dissociate yourself from your body, because your body is a temple. Your body is totally sacred. So when you come to understand that you are just one thing, an ensouled body and an embodied soul, then things get really exciting. So
that veil breaks, and we don't no longer see it as a death process, but as a birthing.
God, it is a death process, but it's also a birth process, because things have to die. We've created a completely insane world out of our hubris and out of our ignorance and out of our lust for power and out of our fantasies of being separate and special. We have another world waiting to create, which is born out of radiant embodiment and this new kind of love. And that world could very well be the most beautiful, unimaginably tender and kind and compassionate world. And we have to see that it is, and we have to get moving right now, because time is running out. But it's meant to, because we're meant to be forced to birth this new kind of love.
And this gives us the new hope. I mean, this inspires with a hope, hope for all of us to move on.
Well, you know, on the spiritual path, when things get bad, they get good. Because it's a sign that the grace is working, and it's what it's doing is separating you from everything that no longer serves you and introducing you to something that you've never been able to imagine, but you can, with humility, experience. And when you experience that, you think, oh my God, why was I ever obsessed with all that stuff? It doesn't mean anything. This is it.
Yeah.